Hello everyone, it's Mandy Ross with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and thank you for joining me. I hope I inspire you to have the foxiest nest with your DIY home decorations. So today we're actually going to show you how you can up-level any kind of decor with Chalk Couture. And so we've already made this little mason jar with the bunny inside, and now we're going to take Chalk Couture, and this is our gift tags transfer, and our transfers are reusable, so it makes it great to work with our patterns. And I'm just going to actually just put a little bit of a stripe on the lip of this mason jar, just to give it just a little bit of a twist and make it unique and personalized for my little Easter decor. So I'm just cleaning up the transfer so that I don't mess up what I already have. With the disinfectant wipe, I'm just putting it back on and keep going around the lip of my mason jar here and making little stripes for it. If this is something that you're enjoying, please feel free to just like and share my page with your friends and family. Just let me know this is something that you would actually enjoy and like to see more of. Once I've gone all the way around the lip of my mason jar, now I'm going to use the word gather, and I'm going to do it in black chalk paste. And our chalk paste is normally a removable, but when you use it on surfaces like this, you won't be able to remove it. Actually, I'm getting ready to show you how to sand to give this more of a vintage inspired look, and you can tell that the chalk paste is not coming off, so no worries on that. And let me just clean up my mess real quick. So now I'm going to dry it, and then I'm going to take that's a sanding block. You can take any kind of sandpaper and just give it a little roughed up look, and this just makes it more of a vintage look that I'm going for. Once I do that, I will just kind of clean off the mess that made and get it shiny. And this is just regular ink that I'm using to distress my project and just to give it another more vintage inspired. And this is a magnet that I'm going to actually glue to the back of my project because I'm actually going to put it on one of our Chalk Couture magnet frames, and that way I can reuse my frame, but I still have a very nice centered look for my project here. So there you go. Isn't that cute? That just reminds me of something my mom would have that I would pull out of her closet that she's had for decades and decorated with. So let me I'm actually going to put the beads back on the project, and I'm going to also use there you go. I'm going to use some ink and actually distress them so it does go with the vibe of my project. So hopefully you liked this project. If you did, please share with your friends and family. Thank you.